Alright, anyways. Boom. Playing Rec Room, the same thing as always. It's not anything different. Can I have some coffee? Thank you. Here, just sit it down. Thank you. Oh. Fill her up. Oh. This is fun too. This is fun. Asshole. Oh, damn it.
No, you don't.
Fuck.
We're only shooting basketball, you ain't. Hey, you.
What? Where the hell are you going, bro? You're like Caillou. You keep teleporting everywhere.
Why you bully me?
What? You look like Caillou. No offense. Oh, thank you very much. That's very nice of you. And if I have a drink? Oh, this person's so nice. I love.
And I'm too fat for my seatbelt. I'm too fat for my seatbelt.
Boop. How about a hold on? They're all the same. Why didn't I get another one? Give me the drink.
Here.
Are you serious? Alright, fine. Fuck it. Thirsty?
Hello.
Thirsty?
Sure.
Alright, here.
Sure.
I'll toss it up for you. You can grab it. Ready, grab. Quick.
Oh, hey.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. You looked thirsty.
Weird comment, but thank you.
I don't mean it like that.
I was gonna say, weird comment, but thanks.
Yeah, no, I don't mean you're looking thirsty. I mean like you looked like you needed a drink.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go outside now 'cause I'm bored.
Okay.
Yeet.
This water is has a lot of water in it. Yeah, I did it.
There you go.
Alright, let me walk forward in
Hey,
real
want
life
some beer?
again. There we go. Now I'm in the
Alright.
snow.
Here, want some beer?
Wait, you got some?
1 second. Here.
Is this like the prohibition? We have to
Yeah.
smuggle under the
Here.
snow? Oh, hold on.
Indeed. Here, let's go
Let's
here.
see. Hold on, I'm coming.
Yeah, here.
Oh, nice.
There you go.
Oh, sweet. Thank you. And then we can throw it out the windows. Oh!
Indeed. You can have the last two if you want.
Oh my god. Hold on.
You okay?
No, I'm not. I just. Holy shit. Oh, that's not good. I just smacked something, a light bulb, and I have a piece of glass stuck in my hand.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
No. I'm not okay. I'm bleeding. Oh. Oh god. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Okay. Oh, that wasn't a good idea.
Skip it up and down.
As you guys just saw, or as you as a person just saw, I just busted out my light. Hold on. I don't know if it'll pick up on the camera, but there is glass all over my bed. There's a piece right here, actually. That is busted.